If you're just tired of sitting all day in the same place and actually want to have some kind of relief for your back or something like that, then you gotta check out this Flycity Electric Standing Desk that this brand sent to me for the video. I think it's a really good option for you for many reasons. Number one, look at how big this is. This is 55 inches by 24 inches. So I have to say that it comes with really like a really nice amount of room for you to put like one big monitor if you want, two big monitors, or one of those like super big curve like the 49 inches monitor or something like that. You can put it in here, or you can put multiple displays, or just create one display for your desktop computer and then your laptop, for example, or just one simple laptop setup like this one with your wireless keyboard and your mouse, and right here your computer with a stand or something like that, and then leave the rest for like your water bottle, your fan, your decorations, or whatever you want to put in it. I think it's super cool because of that. Also, it is really, really easy to assemble. It took me, I want to say like 20 or 25 minutes, no more than that. Super intuitive, and everything is explained right here. It comes with the tools, but if you have power tools, it's going to be much easier and better. But the best fact about this one is, number one, as I was telling you before, how much room you have and how big this is. Also, that is super stable because the legs are extra heavy, and it actually comes with kind of like a platform with a rubber pad at the bottom, so it won't damage your floor if you had a wooden floor like my case right here. But also look at how sturdy this is. Look at how firm this is. Look at how stable this one is. So that's something that I really like. But of course, the best feature it is that it comes with kind of like this panel right here that you can modify the height. Just super nice and easy. Manual if you need, just with this button, and keep pressing the button. So this is manual, and when it stops, just like that, when I just stop kind of like pressing the button, and then I can just like do it again, going down again. So I think that's super cool for just standing and being able to change the positions. You have like this lower position, or you have like a mid one just to put your drifting chair if you want one of those, like those super tall chairs, or just put it at max height and just stand right there and have it for meetings or something like that. The bottom one is like 28 inches, I want to say, and then you can have this one which goes to the bottom, and then this one that goes up to the top by itself. You don't have to press anything else. You don't have to push anything else. It goes to the max height by itself. So the best thing about that one, as I was telling you before, is that you can do this and just stand and have your meetings, for example, just standing, or if you have one of those like walking pads, you can put it underneath the desk and just use it while you're working from home, and while you're just like talking with someone, just like that, with your laptop or your camera at eye level. And the max height is 47 inches. So this is another angle for you to see how big this is. I'm 5'10", and you can see that this is perfect on my eye level. And eye level, this is perfect just to have, as I was telling you before, that comfort of just like working while you're standing, and just like switching position of sitting and then standing or something like that. So it comes with those features, of course, that you can actually do it manually, or you can just like press the button back again, and it's gonna go to the lower position, so you can actually go back to sitting. I like it, super recommended. I think it's really good for home office, for example, the 55 inches by 24, enough room, super easy to assemble, everything right here, firm, stable, and of course with the electric standing feature right here, which I think is a must-have for the home office. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.